Hi there everyone, I just came back from Orms and just my luck, while I was there the Osmo Pocket 4 stock came in and I picked myself one up. I haven't had a camera like this before, so it's quite interesting for me, and I think hopefully it can fit in nicely with my workflow. So let's do the unboxing and let's see what's inside here. So there's the box, as you can see. Gonna get the focus on that for you. Specs at the back over there. Let's open it. I'm expecting quite high quality unboxing, as you would expect from DJI. Just take it out of the box. Okay, so that's everything. So the specs on this, it says here on the box, it's a 1-inch CMOS 4K 240 sensor, which is quite surprising. 240 frames per second is crazy in a small camera like this. So yeah, 14 stops of dynamic range, 10-bit D-Log, which is nice. I'm quite surprised that it doesn't have D-Log M like the previous one, but D-Log is better, I suppose. And keen for that. 3-axis stabilization and rotation touchscreen, the same as previously. 2x lossless zoom. And then 107GB built-in storage is awesome. Nowadays you don't want to carry around SD cards anymore, so that's awesome. Active Track 7. That's one of the main reasons I got this camera, is to set it up somewhere and then record myself while I'm busy doing something. So I don't have to worry about the camera not filming me correctly. So that's one of the reasons. And then the Osmo Audio, which is obviously integrated with all the mic systems, which is awesome. And then yeah, so that's the specs. Let's see what's in the bag. So pouch with some stickers, just some stickers, and then like a quick start guide and create a combo, safety guidelines, and then a QR code. I suppose this goes to the app on your phone. Yeah, so the next bag, a bit of a smaller bag than the main one, and this looks like a pouch. Nice little pouch, some silica, and then just a nice pouch over there with one side pocket there, quite nice and small, nice to carry around. It is pocket after all. Okay, so in the main bag is where the Japanese. So let's take this one out. This is very similar to the DJI Mic 2 bag. The one over here. It's quite similar. This is the Mic 2 and this is the Pocket 4. It's a bit taller, but yeah, very similar to the Mic 2. Right, let's see what's inside. Greeted with, this is the Mic 3 dead cats, so a black one and a grey one, same that you get in the DJI Mic 3 system, and then a Mic 3 transmitter, and then you get some magnets with clip for the mic. So those are all the mic accessories. Already have the DJI Mic 3, so this would be in addition to that, and I suppose they would all work together since you can pair 4 at a time, so that's quite awesome. And let's see what's in this. Okay, so this is the light that goes on the front of the Pocket. Just try and get the focus over there. There you can see it. Quite a nice addition to the Pocket 4 is having light on your Pocket 4 for shooting at low light. It just gives you that little bit of extra low light capabilities. And then here's the ultra wide lens that just clips on the Pocket 4. This looks like the tripod. Quite surprised that they didn't put in one with the gears, the same that they did with the RS gimbal, the new one, where when you open one leg it opens all and closes them all. But yeah, I mean, it's such a small thing, I suppose it's fine, but that would have been quite a nice touch. Yeah, that's the little tripod. And then this, I'm not quite sure if it's an extension to the battery or just like a mount. I'll have to read up about that a bit. If you guys know anything about this, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, it basically clips onto the bottom of the Pocket 4, and then it takes it to a 1/4 inch screw there at the bottom. You can see there, it's just got this one button over there to release the clips, and then it's got USB-C on that goes straight into the Pocket 4, and then a USB female on the front here to charge, I suppose. Right, so this would go onto the tripod. There we go. And then there's like a lanyard, some more silica, the USB-C to C cable, the USB-C to mic 3 charger. So this would charge your mic 3. I'm quite interested to see if this would also work for connecting the mic 3 to the computer to download the files. If that's going to work, I'm going to use this for that, and then just use my mic 3 system to charge them, because I don't need 2 chargers. But it's quite a slip to always plug in the whole thing into your computer when you can just maybe have this small little cable and then transfer from there. So I'll let you guys know about that, but that would be quite cool. And then we've got finally the Pocket 4. So the reason I went for the Pocket 4 and not the Pro that's coming probably in a month's time or so is just I'm looking for something a bit smaller. I have obviously my mirrorless cameras, I've got the action cam, so I'm just looking for something a bit smaller that I can vlog with, and that's why I decided I'm not going to wait for the Pro version, because it's going to be a bit more bulky and I'm not looking for that. So that's the main reason I went for this. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys agree or disagree. I don't know. For me, in my workflow, this is what I'm looking for. Nice small pocket size camera, and just look at that, quite nice and small. It's just about the size of my hand, so that's quite awesome. Having a gimbal in your pocket is quite awesome. Yeah, so that's just a quick unboxing with you guys, and I'm obviously going to start testing this as soon as I can. Quite the nerd on that. But yeah, so that's everything that you get in the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo. Quite keen for playing around with this. So, right, I'll see you guys, and I'll probably post some videos in the coming days, hopefully, to give you guys some updates and tips and tricks about how everything is going and how it's working. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys. Cheers.